Welcome. Ever had a car problem that just wouldn't quit? That's exactly what happened with this Ford Explorer. It was misfiring. And another mechanic had already tried replacing the spark plugs and coils. Unfortunately, a crucial detail was missed: a broken wire for the coil on cylinder 7. This meant the misfire persisted, and the owner brought it to us. Hooked up to the scanner, the problem immediately pointed to cylinder 7. A closer look revealed the damaged wire. After carefully repairing it, the Explorer was running smoothly again, back to its normal self. It's amazing how a small, overlooked issue can cause so much trouble. We're always happy to help get your vehicle back on the road.